Unlock unprecedented precision and performance with DeepSeek R1, the groundbreaking solution for all your analytical needs. Welcome back to Curious Yogi. Do you know the main benefits of using DeepSeek R1 over other AI models? Let's explore transparent reasoning, advanced problem solving, and many more. Number 1. Transparent reasoning. DeepSeek R1 provides a step-by-step reasoning process, allowing users to trace decisions and identify errors, unlike black box models. Number 2. Advanced problem solving. It excels in mathematical calculations, multi-step reasoning, and systematic problem decomposition, outperforming competitors like GPT-4 in analytical and logical tasks. Number 3. Built-in fact-checking. The model reduces errors by verifying information during processing, saving time for content teams and improving accuracy. Number 4. Customizability. As an open-source model, it can be fine-tuned for specific applications, fostering innovation and adaptability across industries. Number 5. Cost efficiency. Despite its high performance, DeepSeek R1 was developed with fewer resources, making it a cost-effective option compared to proprietary models. Number 6. Error detection and correction. Its ability to identify bottlenecks and errors proactively enhances project management and reduces risks. These 6 fantastic features make DeepSeek R1 ideal for industries that prioritize precision, transparency, and analytical rigor. So download, start, and experience DeepSeek R1. We'll see you soon with a detailed exploration of each feature with example use cases. Please subscribe to Curious Yogi for more videos like this.